Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to turn off professional mode on Instagram. So first of all, before you do anything, go ahead to your App Store or Google Play. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to just go ahead into searching for Instagram right here. And what I'm going to do, basically, I'm going to double check if the Instagram app needs to be updated. If it does, just go ahead and get right on it. And if it doesn't, just go ahead to the next step. Now what I'm going to do, as you can see right here, I will open up the Instagram app. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to click on my profile icon on the below right corner. And as you can see right here, from the professional dashboard, that tells you that I turned my account actually to the professional mode. So in order to turn it off or to cancel it, click on the three bars at the top right, go ahead to your settings, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to just go ahead to the account, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to just switch right here or click switch account type. You're going to see it in the highlighted blue. Click on it and switch to a personal account, and basically after you switch to a personal account, confirm that you want to switch, and basically that's it. All right, you gotta just wait it out for like a few moments, and as you can see right here, that they switched to a personal account. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you.